Hi, I'm Dr. M. Kamakshay, open source software evangelist and also a full stack developer. I've been creating a series of video presentations on establishing a Hadoop cluster. Right now I'm in the process of showing you how to establish a Beowulf cluster. Please go back and watch all my previous video demonstrations as how to install Ubuntu and configure them to establish a LAN connection. In my previous video I've shown you how to ping and as well as log into slave from master and master from slave, something like that. But we were not able to establish a secure shell connection just like this. Whenever suppose I am inside the master, then I can just simply log in to slave by using my password. Then I'm logged into save. Now I can go to any place just like my documents and then see the content. This is slave. Now come back. I'm in master. Now I have a document inside the master, so let me go to documents inside the master, and here I have a master, and I'm going to show you this document from the slave. Now SSH master, because we are inside the slave. Now we established the connection, but it is not the secure shell connection. We can't transfer anything, but we can just I can issue cd documents. We are inside the master. Now you see master. Now whenever don't try to, you can retrieve the information inside this text file. Suppose if I issue the gedit master, then you may not be able to open the file, and for that we need to use a particular. I exit from the master, I am in slave. Now when I use this sudo SSH master, now this fails. Why? Because this computer is not yet to trust the other computer. It is not trusting, so number of times you try, you will not. For that, what we need to do, we need to do a small activity, that is we should establish a static IP for these two computers. Now we have a small process. So now you know how to change the host name and also add both of these computers or the nodes inside the hosts. Now the third step, I'm going to show you how to open the resources from one computer to the other computer. For that you need to go to the interfaces, and that interfaces file is available inside the etc network interfaces. Okay, and before going to interfaces D, it is not interfaces D. Before going to do that, let us go and issue ifconfig, and this computer IP is this one. Okay, and now this I'm going to just make this computer static. I'm going to convert this IP into the static IP, and for that sudo gedit etc network and then interfaces. Now you see here you got I'm going to add one more. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, let me go back to my. This is actually, do you remember, this one is the NAT adapter and this is the host only adapter. So what we are, just don't disturb this NAT adapter. This adapter we appended or added while we are creating this virtual machine. Now while we did that, this computer has assigned an IP address, and this IP address we are just going to make static, and don't make this one is static. Now copy this, go back to your R2, name of the adapter, and then iFace, name of the adapter, iNet is going to be static, and now address is the name IP address of this computer, that is going to be this one. Since this is slave, and this is the IP address of the computer, and then net mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. okay, now we have done this work for interfaces inside the slave. Close it. Now come back, exit, and then restart. So since we did some amendments inside the computer, we need to let us do the same thing for this. Now we are inside the master, so host name, ensure that both of these are master so that you are in the same computer. I am not inside the slave, I am inside the master. Now sudo ifconfig. Now pick up this name. This is going to be automatic adapter or something. Sudo gedit. Now etc network and interfaces. Now add this network here, auto, name of the network, and then iface, name of the network, inet static, which means the internet or something, whatever it is, static address, and this is the address of this computer. The master IP address is 101, and then net mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. now close, exit, and restart the computer. Now let's go back. My computer is restarted. Now let us ping as well as connect and share the resources from each computer. We need to wait for a couple of minutes to start these two computers. Now it is starting slowly. Yeah, this got now what is this? Do you remember? This is Ubuntu, this is slave. Okay, host name, this is slave. Now let's go back to this computer. It's still going on. This is master. Come on, come on. Come on. This is host name, master, and we have slave. Now let's ping slave from the master. Ping slave. Okay, it's good. Now SSH slave. Good. Now let me use sudo SSH slave. Okay, I think it is not possible to share the resources right now, but we can see what is there inside another computer from one computer. I will try with secured shell login by creating keys and exchanging them in between the computers. That is another step. I'll come back with next video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to the new content, and please subscribe to my video channel. Thank you.